Hello guys, and we just woke up and now we are heading back towards Basar. Roxy, come. Roxy. Sit. So everything is set and we are heading back to Basar now. So guys, this is the Banderdewa tri-junction and that's the gate, Banderdewa check gate to enter to Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. And now we are traveling in the Lakhimpur bypass road, and this is the ending, and now we'll connect to the main highway again towards Likhavali. So guys, we have halted here at Subon City to have some breakfast. गाड़ी लो. राजीव बैठ जा एक जगह, ऑर्डर कर लो उसका. ऑमलेट पूछ क्या खाएगा, तुम क्या खाएगा? पराठा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा था. आप खाएगा क्या? हाँ एक खाएगा. आप भी कर सकते ना खाओ राजीव. हाँ पराठा एक, ऑमलेट उसके बाद दे दो. पराठा सब्जी खाएगा. So guys, after having the breakfast, now we are again heading back to the road towards Likhavali and then Basar. So the weather is really pleasant and the highway is very less traffic because it's early in the morning. So guys, finally we have reached Likhavali. As you can see, the road between Likhavali and Silabuthar, this small patch, the road is very rough, and during monsoon this road get all filled up with the water. I hope it gets rectified soon and the road becomes smooth. There are lots of bump, no proper cross drainage. People are struggling to go through this road. This is really embarrassing actually. So we are stopping here for the refueling now, and after that we'll hit back the road again. So it's done and let's go then. So guys, this is the Likhavali check gate and we are crossing it now, and from here it is approximately 68 km to reach Basar, and it will take around 3.5 hours if we go straight without stopping anywhere. So these days the roads are good and the work is in progress. So guys, we have just reached at Brahmaputra viewpoint. So we are getting some 2-minute rest and then we'll commence our journey again. So guys, we are here at the Gensi Tri Junction. You can check out there. So we have stopped for the Red Bull. Ta-da! Red Bull. This is the Tri Junction. The straight in the right side, yeah, that's the road for Basar, and this left side, that's for the Gensi. You can see. And we have camped from this way, and this is a very beautiful statue of late Jamdakena, who was a political leader. So he was very well and renowned personnel. So let's go. So guys, this is very unfortunate that we have stuck here, and the cutting is going on. So you can see the cutting. So to the commuter who travel through this way should know the timings. The timing starts from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. So this block will be open at 3 p.m. Bus. So guys, since we had lots of free and extra time, we came here at the river just to enjoy and to get the fresh view of the water. My manager is sleeping at the stone, making stone bed. So guys, all the vehicles are waiting here so that the block open and we can go. So guys, after waiting for like some hours, the block has finally opened, and now we are again heading back towards Basar. So from here it is approximately around 1 hour and 15-20 minutes, and the road here, it is a little bit bad, but a diversion road is being constructed. So hope it gets finished soon and we get the very good road. So finally we are here at the Ego Bridge, and this is the Ego village area, and the name of the stream is Ego River. So a new bridge is being constructed here.
सब गाइस अभी हम लोग का पॉकलैंड काम कर रहा है
So guys, we have just reached our site, all the way driving from Guwahati, and all my service personnel are here at the cat site. So the work is in progress and they are solving the issue.
इसी मिनट किया उसको कौन उठना चाहते थे
हो गया बेल्ट लगा लो बेल्ट उसके साथ फिर जोड़ो उसमें घुसाना ना कहीं भी घुसाना एक साइड माथा में घुसाना नहीं तो ये छोटा वाला था इसमें डायरेक्ट बड़ा वाला को घुसा दो ना भाई इसको खोल दो डायरेक्ट बड़ा वाला ही घुसा उसमें वो वाला में छोटा रहने दो जगह नहीं होनी चाहिए हो जाएगा बस 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 ना तपाय 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 नीचे मत रखो कहाँ कौन रखिबो So guys, our pump is almost out. This is the hydraulic pump of Komatsu BC200. ना उल्टा 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 करो उल्टा हाँ मट्टी आता मट्टी This is the place where the hydraulic pump is mounted. বুঝলে এই পিছৰ মালে গৈছে পিছন খাই গ'ল আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এটো কেনেকা থাকে মানে কেনেকা থাকে এইটো এনেকা থাকে অ আচ্ছা 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 এটো ভাঙি গ'ল আৰু এইবিলাক হেৰি থাকে ন অয়েল গেলাৰী থাকে এইবিলাক প্লেন হৈ গ'ল খাই হা এটো বিনা
এইবিলাক এই মেটেল এইটো মেটেল থাকে এই মেটেল নাইকিয়া হৈ গ'ল
কেচিংটো দাগি হৈছে
এইটো আপোনাৰ এইটো এটা প্ৰব্লেম হয় দেই
কেচিংটো দাগি হৈছে কিন্তু অলপ
বুজিছেনে এই মেটেলটো মানে কণ্ট্ৰল ভালবলৈ যোৱা এটা চান্স থাকে
গছি গৈছে যদি প্ৰব্লেম হ'ব ভালকে
বুজিছে ইয়াৰ মেটেলবিলাক যে কণ্ট্ৰল ভালকৈ ফচিব আপোনাৰ ফাংচনটো কাম কৰাত অলপ দিগদাৰ হ'ব কেতিয়াবা মাজে মাজে ফচি যাব পাৰে ক'ৰবাত কিবা হ'ব ऑयल लाइन तो पूरा हाइड लाइन
नहीं है तो
थोड़ा थोड़ा बसा है लेकिन उसका तो ज़्यादा गया उठा नहीं
So guys, after the very hectic and tiresome day, now we are heading back to our home now. So thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Good night everyone.